The objective of this video is to understand the different components on the screen. Here we have an example of a personal space. From right to left, we have the basket icon, which is useful to store our most used tags and be able to just drag and drop them from here whenever we need them. Next to it, we have the permission settings, in which we can set the restrictions to this page to none, view, or groups to allow different users to access it. Then we have the Save PDF option, kiosk mode, and snapshot settings. Next to it, we have the Add button to create new pages or dashboards, the Trend button, which is a quick way in which we can start trending data. We have different sources available to the right, and here in search we can start typing the name or code of the tag we're looking for. The search option here allows us to search for a content across all workspaces that have the keyword we're looking for. Then on the left we have our menu bar, which we can hide or unhide as we prefer. We can go back to our space home here. Right now we're in a dashboard named Heat Pump Example, which is under my space home. And here we can see other pages and dashboards available under my space. Let's go back to my main space. We can also click on this icon to go to the main page we get when we log in, or we can also access this by clicking in the logo that we have on the top left side of the page. Here we have my name, since it is my personal space. When we click on it, we can see other workspaces available, and we can create a new workspace if needed. Then we have dashboards, charts, and scripts option, our page tree with all the pages we have in this space. Then we have home, help and support, interactive help, and right under our name we have the user settings, toggle to dark theme, and the logoed option.